Hey, this is Shay, back again with another Make Money Online video. And in this one, I want to show you 3 recent campaigns that I just actually recently started, and I showed my students exactly how I started these just a few days ago. And again, the reason why I show these brand new campaigns to my students is to prove to them that it is still possible right now today to start making money online from scratch. And you know what? All it takes is someone to give you their time and, their expertise to show you exactly how to do it. Maybe you haven't made $1 even online yet, and you're trying to break through that barrier. Or maybe you are making a little bit of money already and you are trying to get to that next level. This is exactly what I help my students with on a daily basis. And hopefully this video right here will encourage you and give you a little bit of motivation. If you are, trying to make money online, you're trying to look for ways to make money online, but you just haven't quite found it yet, hopefully this video will help you keep going. Because again, if you know what you are doing and you find the right person to show you how to do it, you can easily start making money online or get to that next income level if you are already making a bit of money. So as I said at the start, I've actually just recently showed about 3 networks, in fact, that I have been running traffic to all at the same time. And I do this through something called split testing. And again, if you hear any weird words or things you just don't understand, that's okay. That's not what this video is about. Just take it in and watch what I'm about to show you. So I'm just going to jump straight into the first network here. So I'm about to show you 3. And I have been running them all together. Alright, so the exact same days. In fact, as you can see, I went from the 8th of May to the 11th of May so far today. Today is the 11th. And we are about 3/4 of the way through the 11th. But as you can see, just check out some of the numbers on this one here. Since I've got to show you 3 different networks, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, otherwise this video will go forever. But just check out some of the numbers here quickly. Okay, so RPC, this column right here, this is revenue per click. And I guess I have to quickly say what exactly that is. So again, it's revenue per click. I'm getting paid through these 3 networks that I'm showing you by generating clicks alone. Okay, and I can go into greater detail than that, and I'll talk about that in just a minute at the end of this video. But as you can see, if I just look at the average here, $4.74 per click, some in the $5. Other networks I have up over $10 a click even. So it certainly does range. So over the past 4 days, not even 4 days total yet, as I said, we're not even completely through the 11th, but the 11th is really taking off here in this network. So 28 clicks, 124 made, total of $241.98 so far. And I just want to jump over to the next network here. As you can see, the exact same dates. Okay, it's just switched around. So from the 8th of May again to the 11th of May. Again, see, generating money right here with clicks. This is what I'm getting paid for. As you can see, earnings, clicks right there, and EPC. This is earnings per click. So it's basically the same as RPC, revenue per click. But as you can see, the clicks are a little higher, probably, I would say on average. As you can see, $6.16 per click, with a total of $264.90 made so far. Now I'll just jump over to the third network here, and I just want to expand these days right here, just to show you the full details. Okay, so as you can see, again, we're going from the 8th of May to the 11th of May right there. I've actually, I would say, sent a little more traffic to this network specifically, because as you can see, the earnings have really taken off. It's just been converting higher on average, even though the EPCs, as you can see, are not as high as the others, but that seems to be what happens, I would say. If you're getting paid higher per click, those networks won't specifically convert as high. Whereas if the network is paying you a little less, they perhaps do that because, they know that they convert higher. Okay, so they're going to get a lot more people through because they just know they're higher converting. So on average, they will pay a little lower than the lower converting networks. So again, if you don't understand what I'm saying, some of these things are a little technical to you, that's okay. Don't worry about that right now. But just before I go any further, just wanted to point out again, so this one has earned 358 so far, 295 right there, so you can see the split up days right there. 702 made so far in about 3.5 days or so. And all of these 3 networks that I just showed you, they're all actually running together. I'm running all of them at the same time. And what I actually do is split up the same traffic source amongst them all. Okay, so I have a special link that basically rotates between the 3 of them. And, of course, so I can put different percentages on each rotation, so different networks get a little more traffic than others. And that's basically what I've done with this network. It's got a higher percentage of traffic flowing to it. And again, like I said at the start of this video, this is a recent campaign, obviously, that I just started a few days ago. And I love creating these campaigns, obviously for myself, but I mean, it's mainly now for my students to show them that, hey, if you know what you are doing, you can start new campaigns whenever you want to. You can start making money online right now today. And this means you as well. You can do it as well. And I'm giving you the opportunity to see exactly how I create these campaigns to make real money online. And if you are serious, you've been either looking for ways to make money online, you've been trying to break through, you're trying to get to that next income level, I can show you exactly how to do it. And I can show you right now, but you have to take action. I'm opening up everything I'm doing for a limited amount of time. I'm about quality, not quantity. I'm not willing to work with people who are not truly serious. So if you are serious, once again, that's awesome. But show me and show yourself that you really are serious. Take action while I have this open. And all you have to do to take action right now is click the link at the top of the description. So find the description of this video, click the link right now, right at the top. It'll just be a quick bit.ly link there that I put there just to get over to my site. And I'm also going to just visit my site just to show you what you will see. So here on my site now, so all you have to do once you land on the site here is enter your best email address right here in the field. So your best email address there, then just click the Get Instant Access button right here. And that's all there is to it on this site, but there is one last important step to do, and that is to go check the email address that you just typed in. Okay, so go check that inbox, go check that email, and look for a welcome email that I'm going to send to you. Because in that email, I'm going to have a bunch of super important information to help you get started right now today. Let's get you on the right track and help you start building a consistent online income. So do it now, take action, and I'll work with you in just a minute.